guys, it's Sabrina, and I'm at the fireworks tent. And Chris had to work this week, so he was working and then coming back in the afternoons to help at the fireworks tent. But he has been looking on Marketplace for some things, and he found some stuff, and I wanted to share it with y'all. Guys, this is a mint plant, and this lady just gave it to him because I'll show you what he bought. Look, guys, there's some tomato plants. This right here is a basil. That is a basil plant. And he only bought a few of these, and the lady gave him the rest. So what a blessing. I am so excited. Hey guys, welcome to Searching Sabrina. We're still at the fireworks tent, and we're hanging out with some friends while it's slow and business is starting to pick up. So I'll give y'all some clips. Bye.
I didn't realize you were videoing. What is this one? Okay, thank you, Charity.
Look at this one.
Oh, it's got little color balls.
Look at this one for colors.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Why are you gripping on my shirt? I think. Yay!
Sure he's on.
Yeah.
Wow. Vincent, hi buddy. Did you come to watch the fireworks? Hi buddy. That's Sabrina's baby. One of them, the other one was already videoed a while ago.
No, there you go.
Agree. Agree.
He's with their mom and daddy. And Cherry, is that your grandson?
No, that's his name. Sherry's grandson's granddaughter's still cooking.
Well, guys, it's the end of another fireworks season. I hope you enjoyed the clips. I hope you enjoyed the time with us. We're so glad that we could take you along a little bit. And you see the tents empty back there? And look what's coming. Yep, that's lightning and storm clouds. I'm so glad I'm going home. Y'all have a great time and a great day. We love y'all. Bye. Guys, I wanted to show you, this is a little update. It's been really hot here since we were at the fireworks tent. Little update on Charity's zinnias and tithonias. Some of them are doing really good. We had a storm come through, so some look a little rough, and we did lose a few, but I pulled those out this morning. They're right there. So let's go check the vegetables. Okay guys, I have made a decision. I am going to pull all of the starts except for this Roma tomato. And if you see back there, I have a cherry tomato coming up. I'm going to let them keep going and see how they do. But the rest of the starts over in this section right here, I'm going to pull. But y'all, look at my zucchini and my squash. Let's go see that. Look, guys. I'm so excited. And then I have some mixed bell peppers starting to come up. I've got to clean out these beds. I haven't been home, but just to water them, so the beds look a little rough. I've got to get out here and get to work. But these starts over here, I'm going to pull those. Those was broccoli and okra and cucumbers, and those have not taken off at all. But I have some other stuff that you've probably already seen the clip where Chris got me some stuff offline, and it's looking a little rough, but I'm going to get it in the ground as soon as I can pull the starts. But I'm pretty excited because this tomato plant right here already has some tomatoes coming on it. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited. So, I've got to get it in the, staked up at least. I'm going to leave it in the grow bag, this big one. But I'm going to stake it up because it is huge. Huge, guys. But that's where we're at. And I wanted to give y'all a little garden update. Not looking too great. But, so guys, this is the compost pile. And there's something growing in my compost pile. That's awesome. So we will see what that is. If you know what it is, I'll get closer. If you know what it is, let me know in the comment section, okay?